Bill's Avanti on a rainy day. Time to get started on the little bit of weather strip issues we've been having. And we got to do some door glass, and we got to put the radio in. Obviously, we're not going to cover all that in this video. That's just my little list. Anyway, working on the weather strip right now. Let me show you what's going on. All right, so the clowns at the other restoration shop, they went crazy with the glue on the driver's side body to door glass seal. Crazy with the glue. Now these, they're supposed to be screwed in. You can see the screw holes. I actually fished some of these screws out, and then they looks like they drilled, and they've done all kinds of goofy nonsense. I mean, this is total bullshit work right here. I'm not gonna even sugarcoat it. But there was no screws in the door. Nothing. So this thing, it was... Well, that screw hole they siliconed over. That screw hole they siliconed over. I don't even know where the rest of the screw holes are. And then they cut and notched it for some bizarre reason. Just a hot mess. So I get to try to remove as much of this BS as possible. And then I will be acquiring screws. Thank you to Scott, who also has an Avanti. He let me borrow one of his screws so I can go and match it up, because the place I ordered this weather strip from, they had no clue that there was screws there, and they didn't know what I was talking about. I wanted a hardware number, and it's like, listen, dummy, it's for letter whatever the hell it was on their chart. You know, I'm gonna go over here and see who the hell I ordered this from, because they didn't seem to have anybody with a brain cell when I called on a Saturday. Oh, Studebaker International. Yeah, apparently nobody knew what the hell was going on over there at Studebaker International. Yeah, so I get to deal with this hot mess. I mean, I bought the full kit because it's cheaper than onesie-twosying, and I never know what else I'm going to uncover at this point, so whatever amount of BS I come up with or get stuck with, at least I'm going to be prepared. This is piss poor work. This is ridiculous. I mean, really, on this windlace you got goop, snot, because you're too stupid to do it right? Like, what a mess I gotta try to figure out. Let me just say it again for those of you in the back, or those of you that just like to hear me bitch. This is very unprofessional work done by a very well-known local restoration and classic car specialist who in the past has done fantastic work. But this is not it. This is garbage. Like, I don't understand what you're doing, or if people that work there just like to put their paychecks up their nose, or put it in a spoon and heat it up with a lighter. But you got to be a special kind of special to do this hideous, poor shit work on a beautiful, beautiful car such as this. It's real hard for me not to name names, but I'm trying my best not to. But it'll all come out in the wash, and might come out in my ramblings too. So, oh well.